In this video, I'm going to show you how to take avocados and season them properly where they taste good. I actually don't like the taste of just eating a plain avocado, but once I season it up, I think it's really yummy. First, we're going to cut the avocado in half. I'm going to take the spoon and scoop it out. Put it on the plate. A little seed or nut here, you can take the knife and kind of spin it around. It comes out. Take my fork and squish it down. I'm going to add some pink Himalayan sea salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Some paprika. And some garlic powder. And then mix it up. Then we're going to take these mini sweet peppers and we're going to cut the tops off and make them into little scoopable chips. Cut the top off first. And then cut it in half. Take the seeds out, and then that's what you eat your guac with. And here's what it looks like when you have finished preparing your dish. You just take a pepper and put some guac on it and then eat it, and that's it.